In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz in Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use quiz page built from a template and tailored to your needs. Start by opening Notion on your desktop app or in your browser. In the very top left corner, look for the small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Click that arrow to open the workspace menu. This is where Notion keeps handy shortcuts, and it's the quickest way to reach the template options without digging around through pages. From that menu, click Templates. Notion will take you to its gallery of pre-built pages. If you're redirected to the marketplace, that's perfect. Just make sure you're on the Templates section so you're seeing full pages you can add to your workspace. Once you're in the template gallery, use the search bar and type quiz. This narrows the results to layouts designed for questions, answers, and simple scoring. If you see several options, skim the previews to find one that matches your style. Some focus on flashcards and toggles, while others use databases for more structured grading. When you found a template you like, select it to open the full preview. Take a quick look at how it's organized. Check for things like a questions database, an answer key, or example content so you can see how entries are supposed to look. If it fits your workflow, click Add. Notion may ask where to place it. Choose your workspace and the page destination, then Confirm. Notion will duplicate the template into your space so you can modify it freely. Now, it's time to make it yours. Open the newly added quiz page and rename the title to reflect your topic. Replace any placeholder questions with your own. If the template uses a database, open a sample row and edit the properties. Question text, multiple choice options, the correct answer, difficulty, or tags. You can add more properties if you need things like point values or categories. If the template uses toggles or callouts, keep the structure consistent. Put the question in the header and the answer inside a toggle so you can reveal it when you're ready. To add more questions, duplicate an existing row or block so formatting stays uniform. Tidy up the design for clarity. Add dividers between sections, group questions by topic, and consider a brief instructions block at the top so participants know how to proceed. Finally, scan through the page to confirm everything is aligned, labeled clearly, and easy to navigate. That's it. Your Notion quiz is set up and ready to use.